All right, shifting our focus now to India as the controversy over the alleged embezzlement of donations at India's Ram Temple continues to escalate. The resignations of Trust General Secretary Champat Rai and the trustee Anil Mishra have now been accepted. The trust says it has accepted both of their resignations on moral grounds for a fair investigation. The trust has also decided to remove Gopal Nagarkatte from the list of special invitees. Now, the Temple Trust convened a meeting to discuss this issue. The high-level meeting was chaired by the Trust President, Nritya Gopal Das, and attended by the Treasurer, Govind Dev Giri, Temple trustees, as well as the senior officials from the district administration and the central government representatives.
के अनुसार इस न्यास के बने हुए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन संविधान के अनुसार त्यागपत्र देते ही वह स्वीकृत माना जाता है और इसलिए हम लोगों के पास अन्य कोई चारा ही नहीं था। उन्होंने स्वयं इस बात को हमें मूल क्लॉजेस को पढ़ करके दिखा करके समझाया कि यू हैव गॉट नो चॉइस। जब ये त्यागपत्र दे दिया है तो आपको उसको स्वीकार करना अस्वीकार करना ये बात आपके हाथ में नहीं है। अब उसको हम लोगों को मान ही लेना चाहिए। ऐसी स्थिति में और हम लोगों ने उसका स्वीकार भी कर लिया।
Now, the Temple Trust has made it clear that wrongdoing at the sanctum of Ram Lalla will be unacceptable and that the harshest punishment should be given to those who are guilty. The Trust says that it believes that the truth will be revealed after the completion of the legal investigation process, and until then, it is inappropriate to place blame on any one person. Police investigations into the alleged donation theft are moving forward, with court permission granted to question several accused currently lodged in jail.